So, keeping your locker clean. I bet you guys can guess, just like with your notebook, just like with your cubby, every week we will have time, in that period, we will have time to clean out your locker as well. If you're kind of catching on to this, we're going to be having a big block of time to do cleaning and organizing. So that kind of reminds you that it's probably best not to say, I get a time during the week where I get to organize things, so I don't need to keep it organized during the week. That's not the idea, because we are going to have the things that we learn to organize, we are going to have one period a week to work on that organization, but we're not going to have more than that. So, just a little warning. One time a week, we're going to clean your locker. You'll have a checklist to help you clean your locker, and I will pass that out right now, or I'll get the passer outers to pass that out right now. And here's what that looks like. And just like before, you'll get points for how many check boxes you have checked when we do the checks, and we'll collect all of these. In the end, we're going to end up collecting all of our organization checklist scores into one big organization score. So great work today, class. Let's talk about what we learned today. I want to hear some feedback from you guys. What did we learn? What are we doing here? The frame of our lesson, we learned about organizing cubbies, we learned about lockers, but why is it important? Why is it important to keep these things organized? And I'll call on students to answer that question. And where do we keep the visual reminders, the maps to your cubbies and your lockers and where things should go? Where are those located, in the classroom or in the areas where your lockers are? And I'll get that answer from the students. And who remembers the difference between the things that we put in our locker and the things that we put in our cubby? So after I discuss these things with the students, I will move on to the next part of the conclusion. So today I saw some really awesome group work. I saw teams, partner groups working together fantastically to help each other organize. And this is stuff that can be really boring, and it's for some people, even if it's easy for you, for some people this kind of organization stuff is not very easy. And I heard people giving great feedback. I heard people being respectful when someone made a mistake or didn't know something. I hope you guys feel really proud of yourself. I feel really happy to have witnessed this, and I feel proud for you. And I hope that you guys can feel that too. So for our next organization lesson, we are going to continue talking about how we can organize different parts of our school setting. And our next step is going to be learning how to organize our backpacks. So I look forward to starting a new lesson with you guys then, but good luck with keeping your cubbies and your lockers organized, and remember to use the tools and ask questions of your neighbors and ask questions of me if you and your neighbors are not sure. Thank you.